Hey everybody, I'm just preparing and pressing together these Prado and Hilux front hub assemblies, and I just thought I'd do a quick video, give you a little bit of refresher information, and let you know that if you're around Melbourne, you're lucky, come pick them up. They're heavy. It's going to save you freight, and it's going to save you some extra money too, because I'm not going to have to pack them into these boxes where I put a bit of extra cardboard and packing, and it all takes time. So it is definitely cheaper if you come and pick it up. But we don't have the EFT machine, so make sure you bring the folding, because we want to keep that stuff around and keep that happening as well. And of course, you can still have an invoice if you want. So come and see me. We'll work out what you want. If you come at lunchtime, might even be going out for lunch, so then we can have a little lunch date as well. How would that be, hey? Anyway, for those that don't know, these are the Hilux ones. These are the Prado ones. They're different bearings, they're different hubs. There's a lot of different part numbers, but what we do is we combine the best O-rings, gaskets. They come with a seal. There's a couple of seals. The other one, it's not sitting here yet, the one that goes in behind, comes with everything you need. If you want more info, check out the playlists. One of them is going to be called front wheel bearing, front hub, something along those lines, and it's going to talk about these things, right? So use genuine parts. You've got a Toyota, quality vehicle, stick with genuine parts. You can get a lot of cheap aftermarket stuff. I've said before, we do a couple little upgrades, like for example, all the combined parts from these hubs, I use what I believe to be the best part number. So there's some of the Prado parts on the Hilux hub if you like, right? Because we've found them to be better where they're the same interchangeable part rather than get, different. So like I said, these Prado ones, they've got the ABS sensor built into them. So whether you got ABS or not, that's your bearing. These bearings don't have the ABS built in. The sensor goes on the back on the Hilux. It's different. So this is how you receive them from us now. And you just take off your two spaces or your ABS and spacer, whatever it is. You make the one that comes off your car. You carefully take that off. We've got videos showing you how to do it. And you put it back on here and make this one look exactly like the one that came off the car. There's been people that have made the mistake, forgotten or put one, not two, whatever, and they've put this on without having those there, and then what happens is it's all bad news. You wasted your money, and you're going to see me again soon, and you're just going to sort of, a few people have made that mistake. They don't feel good about it when that happens, so this is a reminder again. Now, with the Prado, as you can see here, the bearing, the inner race of the bearing sits proud of there, so that's what you're preloading when you tighten up your hub nut and whatever, so it's got to be the 235 Newton meters, okay? So there's some information there. And if you did that with this one, the hub's what's backed up, and then the bearing's just floating there. So then your wheel's all supported by this bearing, and then, this hub, and then that's bolted to the car, and it's all a bit how you're going, and then this bearing just goes to pieces. It's all bad news, can damage your rotors and all sorts of damage, right? So don't let it happen. Make sure you got your spacers on there. And might be a little bit tight to go on and off, but not too bad. You can just gently tap them on, or you can just gently work your way around slowly with a screwdriver to get them off. But once they're on, they will spin loose and free, but they will sit proud, just like the Prado one does, okay? So it should sit proud. If you've got that sticking out on any setup, you've purchased some eBay specials, Chinesium, whatever, good luck with that. But, if you've done, that's up to you, man. Poor man pies twice. You can do it as often as you like. We just do what we know works, and the reason we use the brand new genuine hubs, nice clean surface for that seal there to work against. It's got our little upgrade there. We've got a special tool to install all the seals, works beautifully. But like I said in other videos, the only area that I think that water may have been able to slowly work its way through is in that gap behind that metal, pressed onto metal. So we've done our RTV thing as part of the assembly. So like I said, pick up, come and see me if you like, and pick these up. You'll save some money, because to be quite honest, I'm doing this video because I'm sick and tired of cutting up bits of cardboard to put into these boxes and bagging them and taping them and all that. And then I've got to put them in packages and send them. I've got to write bags and all that. Just come and see me, mate. And I'll go, here you go, that's yours. Bada bing, bada boom. Saves me effort, saves me time, saves you money. If you're interested in one of these, just send me the text message, preferably on a Monday morning at 7:30 a.m. But if you're desperate, send it whenever you need it, during normal business hours, or even better, normal school hours, or even better, in the morning, close as possible, early, 8, 9 o'clock, and earlier in the week is preferred. Can't guarantee I'm going to be able to help you. We've got plenty going on. But Monday's parts day, it is the best day, but maybe Tuesday would work. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday kind of at the latest. in the morning, and we'll work out a pickup time. Let us know if you're hungry and we'll make it a lunch date. Catch you on the next video. See ya.